Imagine the day you have been waiting for years suddenly gets delayed and shifted for a month. This was exactly the situation I was in. But before I tell you why it happened and how the day actually ended up being, let me quickly introduce myself to you guys. My name is Pratna Bhushan, and now I can finally say that I am a first year medical student. And for knowing which college I joined, please watch the video till the end. So let's quickly start the video. After the results of NEET were declared, we were eagerly waiting for counseling to start. So initially, it was bound to happen on 5th August. But NEET is always accompanied by delays and stuff. So our counseling got delayed by a month and it was scheduled on 5th of September. So after impatiently waiting for days and doom scrolling the entire internet, finally the day arrived. So now let me take you guys through a day before 5th of September. So I arranged all the documents, got them photocopied and went on with doing signatures. I woke up at 6 a.m. the next day, got ready, and on top of that I decided to wash my hair. So it all became such a lengthier task. Let's quickly get ready. I am ready for the first round of counseling of Chandigarh. So yeah, let's go. Bye. We left home and reached the venue on time. I was excited but low-key nervous too. Exactly at 9:30 we were called inside the auditorium and we were asked to sit randomly. So उसके बाद हमारे names announce हो रहे थे according to our merit number and then we were shifted to another side of the auditorium. तो वहाँ पे फिर उन्होंने एक लिस्ट डिस्प्ले की जिसमें we had to arrange our documents in that sequence. अभी तक सब सही चल रहा था but guys stupid me forgot to bring migration certificate. उस टाइम पे तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा पैनिक हो गई थी पर मैंने आसपास देखा तो I realized I was not the only one. सो मैंने क्विकली घर पे कॉल किया एंड मेरे पापा वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स ले आए. तो फाइनली आई वाज रिलीव्ड कि चलो अब सारा प्रोसेस स्मूथली हो जाएगा. सो फिर मेरा नाम उन्होंने अनाउंस किया तो मैं स्टेज पे गई एंड मैंने अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिखाए, सिग्नेचर करवाए उन पे. देन 4 to 5 minutes 35 स्टूडेंट्स वर कॉल्ड एंड वी सैट इन अ बस. एक्चुअली इट वाज नॉट अ बस, वो बहुत ही छोटी सी मिनी बस कह लो उसे, वो टाइप की थी. सो हम 35 स्टूडेंट्स हम हॉस्पिटल वाली बिल्डिंग की तरफ गए. एंड वहां पे हमें सिग्नेचर चाहिए थे ऑफ आवर डायरेक्टर एंड प्रिंसिपल सर. सो हमारा वो काम हो गया. कहानी यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं होती है क्योंकि एडमिशन वॉज स्टिल नॉट डन एट दैट टाइम. मेडिकल टेस्ट वर स्टिल. सो मेडिकल टेस्ट के लिए हमें मंडे को बुलाया था, दैट इज 8th of September. बट गेटिंग मेडिकल टेस्ट डन, उसके बाद से उनके डिपार्टमेंट में जाके वहां पे सिग्नेचर्स लेना प्रोफेसर्स के, इट वॉज सच अ tiresome task. We had to rush from one department to another department, give our blood and urine sample and wait for the report. फिर हमें उन पे स्टैंप लगवाना था, सिग्नेचर करवाने थे. So on that day I walked for approximately 10 kilometers. But वह यहाँ पे काम खत्म नहीं होता है. We had to get the signature of Chairman Medical Board. उसके बाद we submitted the fees and finally the admission was completed. All of you जिन्होंने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा, so now it's time I reveal you guys कि मुझे कौन सा कॉलेज मिला. तो या इट्स गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल, सेक्टर 32, चंडीगढ़. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड एंड आई फील एक्सट्रीमली ब्लेस्ड टू बी हियर एंड आई एम super excited to make my memories for upcoming 5.5 years and share it with you all. If you all loved the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. And also I'll keep making more lifestyle and college related videos in the upcoming days. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. And उसके लिए आपको चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, bye. Take care.